In this video, we're going to show you how to fix when no Wi-Fi networks found on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So one of the fixes you can do is you might have airplane mode on. So in this case, turn off your machine's airplane mode and your issue will be fixed by pressing Windows plus A on your keyboard to open quick settings and then select airplane mode in the menu to disable this feature. Another fix is turn on Wi-Fi on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. On Windows 11, open settings by pressing Windows I, select network and internet in the left sidebar, and then turn on Wi-Fi on the right pane, as you can see here. On Windows 10, access settings by pressing Windows plus I again, select network and internet, choose Wi-Fi in the left sidebar, and turn on the Wi-Fi toggle on the right. The last way is to enable your PC's Wi-Fi network adapter. To do this, open Control Panel on your Windows PC, select network and internet, choose network and sharing center on the following screen, select change adapter settings, and then right-click on your disabled network adapter and choose enable, and that should help the issue. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.